Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to mute someone else's Instagram stories. Right guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is opening our Instagram profile. So we can tap on our profile right here, and after our profile has been opened, we can tap on a following option. And you can select an account that you would like to mute the stories, and I'm gonna go with this account. So we can tap on this three dots button on the account, and then simply tap on mute option. Okay, and since we want to mute the stories, we have to tap on this toggle button. Okay, and now the stories from this account have been muted, and the stories from this account won't appear on your Instagram feed. Alright guys, and that's how we can mute someone else's Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.